Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to another video here on the Profit Boss channel. In this one, we're going to be looking at how to make the average profit that Rebel Betting users make each and every month through value betting. Because it's all well and good saying on average, Rebel Betting users make £1,456 a month, but it really helps you out if you know exactly what you need to do in order to make that profit for yourself. So we're going to look at how many bookmaker accounts you need, what kind of stake sizes you need, and the average return per value bet you need to place. Then we're going to check out what new features Rebel Betting have added to their site this month. And finally, I'm going to let you know how you can get involved in their sale that they're having, which ends on Thursday at midnight, 22nd of February. Don't worry, if you're watching this video after the 22nd of February, there will be a link down in the description still to save 50% off your first month. So there's still some savings to be had. But getting on the laptop then, here we are on the Rebel Betting site. This is the Pro version, so there is the Starter and the Pro. But with the Pro, you get all the extras like exchange value betting and access to all the bookmakers and higher value bets. So if you have a reasonable size bankroll of, say, £1,500 or £2,000 or more, then the Pro version is definitely the one you want to go for. Now let's bring the calculator up to look at the numbers on what you need to make this average profit per month. So we need 8 bookmaker accounts. We're just going to place 5 bets per bookmaker each day. So that's, we're not doing this every single day of the month. I'll tell you how many days per month you need to do this. But 8 bookie accounts, 5 bets on each would mean you're placing 40 bets per day. Then times that by 20, because you're going to place £20 per bet. And that means you're staking £800 per day. Now that's not, you don't need £800 every single day. Remember, when these bets settle, some of them will lose, some will win, but you'll get that money back and then you'll recycle the money. So don't think that you need £800 every single day. As I say, for this strategy, you probably need at least £1,500, probably £2,000 is better. Or even more actually, maybe 2,000 to 3,000, let's go with. But £800 per day with an average return of 7%, which, you know, is perfectly fine. I'm not saying you need to get like 15%, which would be way too high. We're just going to go with 7%. So we're going to do 800 times 0.07 to give us, on average, £56 profit per day. So £56, and then we're going to do times 26 days a month. So not every single day. There's 4 days there of the month that you can not do it at all, or maybe you can do a few more bets on a couple of days and then just do it for 25 days, etc. And there you go. That average profit that Rebel Betting users are making is based on, this is just one example, but £56 per day average profit times 26 days, and it gives you that £1,456. Now, if you've not actually used Rebel Betting before, all you do to place a bet is select the bet at the top there. You can see the expected value on this is 11.7%. And because we'd be doing £20 stakes there, we'd have the 20 in there to log it. You would then click bet. Rebel will take you over to the bookmaker. In this case, it's Bet365. And then you would literally just place that bet there on the Asian handicap market. And it's the plus 0.25 bet that you would want there on that team. For Rocaryl Midland there, which is a Argentinian soccer. Once you place that bet, you just click log, and then of course that's going to log the bet over on the bet tracker. Okay, so now you know what needs to be done and how to do it in order to make that £1,456 a month on average. Let's go ahead and look at what Rebel have added to their site this very month. So back on the laptop again, this is the page. There'll be a link down in the description for this page here. Scrolling down, we can see, okay, sale that's on until Thursday there. I believe it is till midnight. But you can see Pro for 1 year is going to be €119 per month. So that's going to be around £100 a month there, which is a massive saving. And if you're maybe with a lower bankroll, maybe of say £500 or £1,000 bankroll, then you can even get the starter version for €59 per month, which I'm guessing to be around 40, maybe £45, something like that. But scrolling further down from that, we can see, yeah, as usual, Rebel Betting have their profit guarantee. So it says, we know our products work. In fact, we are so confident we offer a product guarantee. If you don't make a betting profit in the first month, you get another month for free again and again until you profit. We take all the risk. That's how good their software is. They can offer that guarantee there. But what has been added then this month? So they've added 3 new sports: handball, MMA, and boxing, hence the Bears wearing boxing gloves. Then new bookmakers added. Now there's a couple here which we don't get in the UK, Melbet and TonyBet. But Bet UK is obviously, as the name suggests, a bookmaker that we do get here in the UK. So that's one added on there for you to place some value bets through. You can actually see here, I've added Bet UK into my filter. So here's a bet which is so 8.2% expected value there. And then there's another one further down, Bet UK, 6.9% expected value there from Bet UK. So yeah, a fair few. Another one there as well, 6.5%. And it goes on and on. You know, there's lots of value to be had from Bet UK account. And then if we go scroll further down, they have horse racing, which is for sure betting only. It's not for value betting. That's not yet added on to Rebel, but I'm sure it will be in future. And that's added for Canby bookmakers and Ladbrokes. So if you are doing sure betting, then you can use horse racing with your Ladbrokes account now. And then there's a couple of other domain names there, but they won't apply to the UK users. And for those of you that have not yet started with Rebel, scroll further down. It says about this is what you get with Starter or Pro. Now you can read through this at your leisure. Obviously, when you check out the page here, it gives you a good sort of graph here on what the differences are between the free trial, Starter, and Pro. Obviously, the Pro gets everything included. Like the bet percentage on the free trial, you get up to 5% value bets. On the Starter, you get up to 7%. And then on the Pro, you get unlimited. So there are some there that are like 11, 12%, even 15% expected value bets there. Of course, you get exchanges, sharps, and middles. Then further down from that, included in all plans, of course, you get the bet tracker, automatic bet settlement. So when a match or event finishes up, you don't have to do anything. It automatically settles it and tracks the profit that you've made there. And then it's just a bit more information about the sale, which, as I say, ends at midnight this Thursday, 22nd of Feb. I can quickly click onto their Trustpilot reviews and show you that they have 182 reviews now on Trustpilot, rated excellent. So really, really great reviews, from the users here. Why wouldn't there be? It's an amazing site. There's been some Profit Boss subscribers that have actually thanked me on a live stream for recommending Rebel to them because they made like £20,000 from using the Rebel site. But that is going to do it for this video. If you've had any value from it, please do tap the like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.